Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Coincept. Today we will be learning about net asset value and its impact on market volatility. But before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is the link of Coincept Wealth application. On the registration, you will get some free tools that will help you out in your investment journey. Now, at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us on this number and we will be there to sort your queries out, right? So let's start today's topic, that is the unraveling the controversy net asset value. What is this and how it will impact the volatility, right? तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि net asset value अपनी है क्या, okay? And let's see. So introduction to net asset value. Now, net asset value is a critical metric in finance that represent the value of investment funds asset minus its liability. ठीक है, अब इतनी बड़ी डेफिनेशन से मैं आपको एक फॉर्मूला बता देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द नेट एसेट वैल्यू, ठीक है, नेट एसेट वैल्यू, सो क्या रहेगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको बोल रहा है कि जो आपका टोटल वैल्यू है, ओके, टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ योर म्यूचुअल फंड और एनीथिंग, ओके, सब्ट्रैक्टेड बाय द लाइबिलिटी. ठीक है, liabilities. Now what are the liabilities? So liabilities can be it can be you can say the expense charges, you can say the outstanding funds. ठीक है, तो उन सबको हम माइनस करते हैं and then total quantity which you have taken. Okay, so the value that will be given to us, that is the net asset value of that fund, right? Now it is very important because with the help of that it can fluctuate the market volatility, क्योंकि इसी के basis पे the sellers or buyers decide if they want to buy that mutual fund or not, right? So this is all written here. See कि understanding the net asset value is essential for investors as it plays a significant role in market volatility and investment strategy. Now I want to add one thing here. When we are talking about net asset value, okay, so net asset value will always give you a monetary value, right? A monetary value, okay, a monetary value, right? It will include the liquid as well as the illiquid stocks both, okay, both. So it will include liquid and illiquid stocks both, right? When we are going for example when we are going with the stock price, so stock price only gives you the liquid or you can say the working capital, you can say, right? वो आपको बताती है कि किसी कंपनी की what is the working capital. बट जब हम नेट एसेट वैल्यू को देखते हैं किसी स्टॉक का, कंपनी का, फंड का, इट गिव्स अस द मॉनेटरी वैल्यू ऑफ दैट कंपनी. ठीक है, कितनी उसके पास मॉनेटरी वैल्यू है. सो दैट इज योर नेट एसेट वैल्यू. ओके, सो लेट्स सी आगे क्या है हम अपने पास, राइट? Now understanding net asset value, so we have already defined it to you, right? Now what is the relation between net asset value and the market volatility? Okay, so as I have told you, whenever there is an increase in net asset value of something or some stock or fund, it will create an impact on buyers and sellers, right? So it will trigger the buying and selling action. Because of the increase in the net asset value, it means the demand is also increasing. So at that time there will be more buying, or you can say aggressive buying and selling is in mutual fund, and the volatility of the market will increase, right? And similarly, if the net asset value of a fund, it will go down, so at that time log kya karenge, they will refrain from buying that stock or fund, and that will impact low volatility in the market, right? I hope it is clear to you. ठीक है, अगर ये क्लियर हो गया तो नाउ वी कैन सी द फैक्टर्स विच कैन इन्फ्लुएंस द नेट एसेट वैल्यू. सो विच आर दोज फैक्टर्स वी कैन सी? तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज द मार्केट कंडीशंस, राइट? देन वी हैव द इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स आपके कौन से हो गए? वी कैन से जीडीपी आपका हो गया, जिनके बेसिस पे वी डिसाइड और वी डिसाइफर द इकोनॉमी ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंट्री और अ स्टेट, right? Then we have the fund performance. What is the performance of the fund, right? In the past performance we are talking about, right? So these elements can lead to sudden price swing, and when we are talking about price swing, it means the volatility, right? It means the volatility. ठीक है, तो जो sudden buying and selling होगी because of all these conditions, all these factors that will impact the volatility, and जब volatility impact होगी तो obvious सी बात है net asset value, ठीक है, जो भी किसी fund का होगा, it will increase or decrease. ठीक है, राइट? आगे चलते हैं, राइट? सो देन वी हैव द मिटिगेटिंग NAV इम्पैक्ट, ठीक है, कि कैसे हाउ वी कैन उसको कम कैसे कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो फॉर दैट there are one or two things. First of all, we have to diversify our portfolio. Now when I'm talking about diversify, so jitna zyada diversify hoga, it means I have to take the funds from various sectors. It can be various stocks, you can say, or you can say it can be some from the equity, some from the large caps, some from the mid caps as well, right? So that when there will be volatility in the market, ठीक है, फिर भी there will be जो मेरा portfolio होगा it will be averaged out and I will not bear much loss in the market, ठीक है, ओके। तो मेरा क्या रहेगा, जो नेट एसेट वैल्यू होगी, ठीक है, नेट एसेट वैल्यू, इट विल हेल्प मी टू मेक गुड इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस। कैसे? फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ द नेट वैल्यू ऑफ अ स्टॉक इज 10 रुपी, राइट, एंड द नेट वैल्यू, net average value of a stock is 12 rupee, right? It can show me like how much of the total profit I'm getting from this and from the this, ठीक है, because it is excluding all the liabilities as well, ठीक है। तो ये मेरे को एक बता देती है कि what can be, एक तरीके से आप बोल सकते हो what can be the average profit of your fund का कितना रहेगा, right? So this can be a very helpful thing for you, ओके। तो चलो इसको हमने देख लिया है। नाउ आगे चलते हैं। देन वी हैव द कंक्लूजन। सो इन कंक्लूजन, नेट एसेट वैल्यू से पिवोटल कंसेप्ट, ठीक है, अगर आपको समझ आ गया, मैं फिर से बता देता हूं। व्हेन वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द नेट एसेट वैल्यू, ठीक है, तो आप क्या करते हो, वी कैलकुलेट द एसेट वैल्यू, तो एसेट वैल्यू माइनस लाइबिलिटी एंड डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल क्वांटिटी, okay? So if the net asset value of a particular fund is or asset is increasing, it means it is performing good. और अगर उसकी कम होगी, net asset value कम होती है, तो people refrain from buying it because of the less profit it can give you in your returns, right? I hope it is clear. I hope the impact is clear, ठीक है, and the impact of volatility on net asset value is clear, ठीक है। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई, you can like it, you can share it with your friends who are still confusing, ठीक है, and you can share your views in the comment section as well. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.